Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your shift key is not working on your Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. I will give you very simple 3 steps and follow the 3 steps. It will fix your problem in a very simple manner. So first you have to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. And then you just need to come over into the accessibility option, and from here you just need to find keyboard section, click on that and make sure your sticky keys is turned off. After completing these settings, we just need to go for search option, and here you just need to search for control panel. Click to open control panel. So make sure you choose the category option, and then you just need to go for ease of access, click on that. And then you just need to click on ease of access center, click on that.
Always scan this section.
And then if you're scrolling down a little bit, you will find the option called make keyboard easier to use. So click on that. And from here, as you can see, the all items are simply unchecked. So from here, you just need to simply check all the items over here like this. And then click apply. And as you can see, the apply function is grayed out. It means all the settings is applied in our computer. So now what we can do, we can simply uncheck them all and click apply. And now they are on disabled or applied as unchecked. And now click OK.
Always scan this section.
And now if we close it, and now if we just go for our start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for device manager. And from here, you just need to come over into the keyboard section, and from here, click on HD keyboard device, click on that. Click on the right mouse button and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers, click on that. And as you can see, if it's showing the base drivers for your device already installed, then it's okay. Close it. And now if your shift key is working properly, then it's fine. If it's not, then simply restart your PC. And I hope this problem will solve your shift key not working on your Windows. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.